We begin tonight with two words: payment due. That's what millions of student loan borrowers are going to be hearing and dealing with now that October has arrived. The 3-year pause on repayment is officially over, but the impact may run deeper than most think. Marissa Sarbak is live.
Alinda, this shouldn't be too much of a shock in theory for those who took out student loans. It kicks in today, but they were notified in September of how much they would owe and when exactly they would be responsible for paying those back. But again, these student loan payments stopped in March 2020, so when that money comes out of their checking account, that actually might be shocking for them. Now, those who took out loans do have some options here. These are called income-driven repayment plans. The IDR plans adjust your payment amount based on your income and your family size. Now, specifically, we have the SAVE plan, which is the newest option by the Biden administration this year. This could lower or even eliminate monthly payments for more than 20 million borrowers. With the SAVE plan, single borrowers earning $32,800 or less, or families of 4 earning $67,500 or less, will not be required to restart those loan payments right now. For those who are starting up again this month or who will eventually have to restart payments, financial advisors are encouraging you to make some changes, like start or adjust a budget you might already have. After that 3-year break, they said this is going to feel like an extra bill each month.
Student loans are one of those things where it feels like for a lot of people, you make your payments for years and years and years, and you never see your balance change, and that's been frustrating. And so there's a lot of things that are being done to try to help people be able to make their student loans actually more not only affordable, but maybe a better deal for them because you're taking those loans when you're 18 and making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life. And so a lot of people are kind of saddled with that decision for a long period of time.
Something else they say to keep in mind is to make sure you're paying the correct service provider, because many of these loans were transferred over that 3-year period. Reporting live in Phoenix, Marissa Sarbak for Fox 10 News.